Hi friends, how are you all today? Thug Life. So you would have watched a lot of reviews, a lot of comments, a lot of trolls based on this particular movie. I happened to watch it yesterday. Well guys, whatever you all are hearing, see the attitude we have is we don't want to appreciate anything good, we don't like it. But anything to roast someone, to make fun of someone, to troll someone, there are millions and millions of views. Guys, first of all, watch a movie to get some positives out of it. Initially, every movie was taken. In fact, the whole concept of taking movies was basically to convey a certain message, a positive message in a very intimate way. So many of y'all things what you have happened or studied many years back. But that one movie you saw, you know it scene by scene. That much is the impact of movie, guys. And please, whenever you watch a movie, watch it in the sense what good can I take out of this movie? What is this movie trying to convey to me? Don't just see the negatives. And all you guys who simply troll good movies, any movies, you will just troll it. Cinematography channala, idu chennagilla, adu chennagilla, this is not nice, that is not nice. Please give me a break. Okay, you are not watching, you are not going to do anything if the cinematography is very nice. You are not going to do anything, is nothing is going to happen to you if the heroine is in a certain way, a certain heroine comes. No, Kamal sir is too old, Trisha is too young to know. Why all this, guys? Watch that movie. What Thug Life has to teach you in your current life. What is it? What is the message that is being conveyed? Three messages I will give you all. Please see the movie from this perspective. First of all, never trust your siblings. Sorry to say this, for those of you all are very attached to your brothers, your sisters, your siblings. First thing, don't trust them, because nowadays it is the fashion. You go to the court of law, 90% of the cases are between siblings. Okay, so they say a nice saying in Tamil. பத்துல சகோதரன் and இருபதுல பங்காளி. Okay, so all of you all are basically Pangalis. Even the very act, if you go back to the formation part, when you are formed as the sperm, there are millions of sperms. So all these are your half brothers, half sisters. So you have to defeat all of them, swim, and then you become the fetus. There are many instances when, especially when there are twins being born, there are many scientific instances where a twin tries to kill the other twin. Okay, but I'm not saying don't love them and don't do good for them. Do them, take care of them, be good, but always be detachedly attached and attachedly detached. So know your limits, know where to draw the line, even if they are your own sister, own brother, whoever. First lesson. You see what happens to Saktivel, right? His own brother is ready to he murders him just for the sake of power. And then what happens later on? Again, the little brother comes, takes the revenge and finishes the older brother. Again, for what? For the sake of power. So the first lesson, trust, love, do good for your siblings, but at the same time, be wary. Keep a distance. You matter first. Okay? The second message. You may see Shaktivel, which is played by Kamal Hassan, in a very rustic way. But towards the end, where does he come back to? His wife. So whatever attractions or distractions you have in between, ultimately your life is your wife. Okay, so that's a neither good positive. And if you see the karma, there could have been a chance wherein his wife is killed and his mistress lives. But no, once that bondage has happened between a husband and wife, yes, that's what will last. So, this is the second message. Always be faithful and be always for your wife. Of course, you may have distractions, temptations on the way, but ultimately, she is the one for you. That's the second message. The third most beautiful message. Whenever you have any anger, any confusion, any tension, any misunderstanding, speak it out. So the character of Amara refuses to speak it out. He just goes by hearsay. What others are telling. There is no, whenever too much emotions are involved, your intellect will take a backseat. Same thing happens to Simbu. If you see that, he gets carried away when the others talk to him about who killed his father. Even though that information is false, he is not able to process that information simply because emotions take control of him. Towards the end, when he realizes the actual truth, there's no use, right? So friends, always see, learn and take positive things from any movie that you all see, because the purpose of movies itself to teach something to your life today. Don't worry about the song was not good, the cinematography was not good, the location was not good, dialogues were like this, Kamal Haasan sir is talking in this particular accent, and all your critics. You should really, I don't know what to say for you. First, learn to appreciate an effort. Mani Ratnam sir has actually done an amazing thing. In case if Mani Ratnam sir and Kamal Haasan sir happen to see this video by any chance, I truly enjoyed and learned a lot of good things for my life today. So thank you sirs for that amazing movie. Blessings of the universe.